Homemade Malaysian Mutabbaq with peach iced tea, Iftar and Ramadan special for beginners. Assalamualaikum and welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we delve into the world of Malaysian cuisine with a Ramadan twist. We're going to learn how to make homemade Malaysian Mutabbaq paired with refreshing peach iced tea, perfect for your iftar table. And don't worry if you're new to cooking, because we're going to guide you through every step. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for our Mutabbaq. For the Mutabbaq: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, water as needed, 1 cup cooked chicken, shredded, 1 cup cooked potatoes, mashed, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, salt and pepper to taste, vegetable oil for frying. For the peach iced tea: 4 cups water, 4 black tea bags, 2 ripe peaches, sliced, 1/4 cup honey or sugar, adjust to taste, ice cubes, fresh mint leaves for garnish. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's start with preparing the Mutabbaq. Firstly, we'll make the filling for our Mutabbaq. In a skillet, heat some vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and minced garlic, and sauté until they turn golden brown. Once the onions and garlic are caramelized, add in the shredded chicken and mashed potatoes. Season with ground cumin, ground coriander, salt, and pepper. Mix everything well and let it cook for a few minutes until the flavors meld together. Our filling is ready. Now, let's move on to the dough for the Mutabbaq. In a mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour and salt. Gradually add water and knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic. Cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. While the dough is resting, let's prepare our peach iced tea. In a saucepan, bring the water to a boil. Once it boils, turn off the heat and add the black tea bags. Let them steep for about 5 minutes. After steeping, remove the tea bags and add sliced peaches to the tea. Stir in honey or sugar to sweeten according to your preference. Allow the peach iced tea to cool to room temperature, then refrigerate until chilled. Now, let's get back to our Mutabbaq. Our dough should be rested and ready to roll out. Divide the dough into equal-sized balls. Roll out each ball into a thin circle, like you would for a roti or tortilla. Once rolled out, place a spoonful of the chicken and potato filling onto one half of the dough circle. Fold the other half over to cover the filling, forming a semicircle. Now, let's fry our Mutabbaq. Heat some vegetable oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Carefully place the Mutabbaq into the hot oil and fry until golden brown on both sides. Once cooked, remove the Mutabbaq from the oil and drain on a paper towel to remove excess oil. Our Mutabbaq is ready to be served. Let's plate it up with a refreshing glass of peach iced tea. And there you have it, homemade Malaysian Mutabbaq paired with peach iced tea, a delightful combination for your iftar table. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Absolutely delicious. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it with your loved ones this Ramadan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more tasty recipes. Until next time, Ramadan Mubarak.